I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Altima interior lights. First, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and a small flathead screwdriver. Next, make sure you have the correct replacement LED bulbs for your specific Altima model. It's crucial to always turn off your vehicle's power before beginning any electrical work to ensure safety. This simple preparation will make the process much smoother and prevent any accidental damage. Now let's tackle the dome lights. Begin by gently prying open the dome light cover with your plastic trim removal tool. This prevents scratching. Once the cover is off, carefully pull the old bulb straight out of its socket. These bulbs can sometimes be a bit snug. Then, insert your new LED bulb, making sure it's fully seated and facing the correct direction. Test the light before snapping the cover back into place. Moving on to the map and door lights. For the map lights, carefully pry open their covers, similar to the dome light. You might need to twist or gently pull the old bulbs out, depending on their type. When replacing door lights, it's often easier to remove the entire light assembly from the door panel first. This gives you better access to the bulb. Always double-check that the new bulbs illuminate before reassembling everything. After replacing all the bulbs, it's time for the final test. Turn your vehicle's power back on and check every single interior light you've replaced. Make sure all the new LED bulbs are functioning correctly and providing the desired brightness. If any aren't working, try flipping them around, as LEDs are polarity sensitive. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed interior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.